Hi guys, so today we are going to do a short reflection on the Edpuzzle videos that you completed. As a reminder, you are asked to complete 4 full Edpuzzle videos from the ones I posted on Google Classroom. Select whichever 4, complete them, and answer the questions, and then I'll be able to grade them. So once you've done your videos, you're going to see under our latest Google Classroom post that I have this idea mapping organization chart. So based on those 4 videos that you did, you are going to fill this out. So if we look at the instructions, write the main idea of each Edpuzzle video you watched, write supporting details related to each idea, and then at the very bottom, you're going to write a summary. It must be at least 2 paragraphs. So in yellow here, it shows you how to access this organization chart. So it's through Google Draw. So all you need to do is double click on the text box. It will open Google Draw. Type your answer, click save and close when you're finished. And then a note, if you make any mistakes, you can do Control+Z, or you can just do the backspace. So I'm going to go into that right now. I'm going to double click it, and then it pops up here. So our chart is called Edpuzzle Lesson Sewing Reflection. Video 1, main idea. So if I look at the Edpuzzle videos that I completed, let's say I completed this one. This one is titled How to Thread the Sewing Machine. So I can just copy and paste that, How to Thread the Sewing Machine. That's probably my main idea, seeing that it's the title. If it's something a little different, I can change that to make it look pretty. All right, so how to thread a sewing machine. And then it's asking for important details related to the main idea. There's 2 sections here to do that. So for the first one, maybe I will focus on, maybe they ask me how to thread my bobbin. So I might give a little more information about how to thread a bobbin. So to thread the bobbin, make sure you pull up the thread. Basically, we're dumping any information we learned from the video into these boxes. We want to get the really important main ideas from those videos. Maybe another one was following the arrows to add the thread. Make sure the thread clicks into the pickup lever and through the needle. All right, so any information you learned is going to go there. So that's how to thread the sewing machine. Then I'm going to do my second video. So maybe the second video I watched was how to cut fabric. And I will do the same thing for that video. So I'm going to put my important details here, okay, all the way through. So video 1, 2, 3, 4. When I'm done, I'm going to click save and close. And then I'm going to do my last question. So it says summarize the process used to break down the main ideas. So maybe you focused on the main terms that came up. Maybe you focused on the things that you yourself had to remember. Tell me a little bit about how you chose what to put in each of the green boxes. Once you do that, I want to know what you learned about machine sewing from the past Edpuzzle videos, which includes the one that you made and then the ones that you viewed. And then lastly, what do you still want more guidance on? What would you like to know more about sewing so that if you were to sew on your own, you would be ready to go? Please remember that section needs to be 2 paragraphs. When you are done with all of this, go ahead and make sure you turn it in on Google Classroom for me. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'll talk to you again soon.